G'day guys, I'm Jason and welcome to the Street Car Culture YouTube channel. Today I'm hanging out at Grimm Industries, so I'm going to just be helping them out for a little bit, mid-term, short-term, and I'm going to take you guys with me and just show you guys around sort of what they do, what products they have, and just some of the work I'll be doing. So hopefully you guys find it interesting. Grimm Industries basically do all automotive art and furniture, so like V8 coffee tables, lamps, chairs, just pretty much everything to do with, I guess, automotive art, furniture. They've got some new prototype products which I'm going to give you guys a glimpse, and hopefully some other cool stuff in the works. But yeah, let me set you up on a tripod and come spend the day with me in the workshop. So I'll show you guys some of the new projects that Grimm Industries are up to. This is going to be a Barra coffee table. So you can see it's like a exploded view. It's like an exploded view on the head, and then I think there's lights going in there. That's sick. So this, like, you get to see all the timing chain, timing gear on the front. And then there'll be glass on top, like the V8 coffee table you just saw. So yeah, this is one of the new creations. Is the Barra table for sale yet?
It will be soon.
Yeah?
When it's finished.
Yeah, okay. Well, there you go. So I think he's going to test the water to see if there's a interest for it. So if you guys are interested in something like this, let us know for sure. And then that way he knows to make some more. And then we've got one around here which I think looks sick. Is a fully sick sec spec VL on 22s coffee table. You can see he's got that classic wrinkle red rocker cover, can't go wrong with that. Sick intake plenum. But yeah, this is also this is a new creation too, yeah? Yeah. So yeah, so these are, you guys have seen firsthand the two prototypes that aren't released to the public yet. So yeah, this is also a coffee table. So as you can see, there's a different idea with this. I think he's gonna have the glass that sits just below the rocker cover coming through.
Yeah, that's it.
Is this one gonna have lights?
Yeah, both have lights.
Yeah, so both have lights and stuff. So how sick is this in your lounge room or your man cave or whatever? But yeah, again, exploded view. Still have all your rockers, your valves. Yeah, all your rocker gear, pretty much even your water pump. Wonder if you could turn the water pump into like some sort of beer on tap feed, I think. Just come to your coffee table.
You're on your mind.
Yeah, it's comes with a turbo, comes with everything, so it's like pretty sick automotive art. There was something I wanted to show.
For the skull.
Nah, the rose and the skull.
Yeah, both here.
Oh yeah, right next to me. So this is some of the other stuff that Grimm Industries are doing. So this is, I don't know if you can see it too well on the camera with the light, but that's a rose that he's doing, and then a skull. So the idea behind this skull is the bottom jaw opens and closes. He's got different ideas. You going to add on to this, or that's pretty much?
I don't know yet.
I keep throwing ideas in his face, and he keeps shutting me down.
Just get on the tools and start.
Yeah. He just wants me not to talk and just be a labourer. But yeah, so it's obviously mounted on the sides to give it like a mechanical look. I think that's pretty dope. But equally as dope is the rose, like the amount of like work that goes into that, and also just like how fiddly he is and how actually cool it turned out. I don't know, I like everything, but I think that thing is like one of the cooler things. We've just yeah, like you can tell it's like made with like
Love.
with passion.
Gotta make you one.
Yeah, thanks, man. So like, for all you guys out there, if you're super keen on coffee tables and your missus won't let you have one, just show her the rose. Get her a rose first, and then that should give you a leaf pass into like a coffee table. I'm pretty sure that's how it works.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah, that's how it
The
works.
whole reason for the roses.
Yeah. He's only making the roses just to smooth over the larger purchases with your partner. But yeah, so it's a pretty cool. Like obviously, he's been kind enough to let me hang out today, but I think I'm going to be helping him sort of on a semi-regular basis. We're just doing some of the labour stuff, and
You paid your free coffee.
yeah, he gave me a coffee, so that should pay for my labour. But he's also wanting. I also sort of trying to hit him up with a couple different ideas for like, say, doing the same sort of thing but with rotaries and stuff like that. So
Definitely on the cards. I'm always open to new ideas.
yeah, so hopefully if you guys sort of are keen for like, imagine something to this detail but with like a, you know, like a 20B or 26B, so 3 or 4 rotor, and then the turbo hanging off the side of it, and then like a sort of a semi PP intake or full PP intake with like glass on top and stuff. I think that'll be sick. But if you guys are sort of would be keen on that sort of shit, let us know in the comments, because then I can get onto you, and I can hopefully we can get it done and do a couple and see if there's a market for it. But all I see here is LS1s and
Engines.
yeah, straight 6s. We can't have that. We've got to have a bit of Doritos in here. So let us know in the comments, and thanks for letting me hang out.
No worries at all, man.
All right, cheers. So what you just saw me doing is doing these legs. So this is a Grimm Industries V8 coffee table. So you can see that they're the feet that holds the table sturdy, and it also holds the glass. So the process you just saw was me just tidying the old pistons up to to get them ready for him to use.